open this baby right up. As you can hear, we are at the Fantasy Basel and we are going to open this display exclusive right here, right now. I'm very excited about this guy. Let's see what's the top loader of this one. Ooh. It's a Raditz special rare. Nice one. Take this one. What's this stuff? It was the Super Saiyan Ultra Instinct, the Goku Ultra Instinct. Yeah, Omen was the special one I was looking for. But this is also nice. Special rare Raditz is in the house. There we go. Let's put you right here. And now, let's go, baby. Fresh, opened, perfect combination display. Here we go, guys. Let's see what we can find here. We got the first rare and nothing. This was a rare. I would say let's continue the show. So, yeah, like I said before, we are currently at Fantasy Basel. Me and my sponsor partner, we have here our stand in this wonderful fair every year, once a year. These are just beautiful days. The next rare is Kale and nothing. Let's put you aside. Let's take the next one. So, my mood is currently, I'm totally fried up and I'm totally tired because working the whole day, stand on your feet, and then with the crews, with the crew go out and to drink and eat something with the team is also very exhausting, but hey, once a year you have to do it. All right, we got our, what is this? Uncommon Nappa, all right, let's put you here, and another Vegeta. We already had this one. Okay, woo! Here we go. Oh, I think I saw something, I don't know. What did I just saw? All right, I'm excited for this one. Yeah, we had this before. All right, common holo, cauliflower, and wait, what? No, that was not that. This one, nah, come on. Are you kidding? Why though? See, even at the Fantasy Basel Fair, I don't have luck. Look at this. This is just 2 times the same special rare. Why, bro? Why? Why? Every time it's me. Every time it's me. All right. I would say let's keep going, guys. Let's just keep going. Let's keep going. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, guys. It's just for fun. You know that. I love sharing my openings with you. And it's just absolutely fantastic here on Fantasy Basel 2024. We got another common Nappa and hold on. No, what was this? Uncommon, no, common here, uncommon here, rares here. This is a rare, and we got our first S rare. Android 17 and 18. Woo! Nice. The gold is looking very nice. All right. First S rare. We got 2 special rares, 1 SR, and yeah, the rest is just, what is this? This is holo rare rare and uncommon uncommon. All right, all right, all right, all right. It's okay. It's okay. Dude, is this Tamazu looking weird? What do you think? He's his eyes are weird somehow. Well, weird artwork, I don't know. Let's keep going. What we have here? Kamehameha, Omen of Victory. Woohoo! Let's go. Beerus, Android, Trunks. This is the next holo rare and nothing. Woo! All right, now let's see if I think we had still the chance to pull the UI Goku special rare, but I don't know. We already have pulled one special rare in this box. I think you can get up to 2, but you should be very lucky. All the secret rares are also available, but yeah, like I said, let's just keep going. Let's see what we can find here. The next uncommon holo, let's put 2 with Nappa right there and Trunks. Let's go, next one. Oh, I spotted something there. I don't want to spoil you. All right. Please be something good. Please be something good. Uncommon, put you here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Huh? I thought this was. Oh, all right. My bad. Sorry, guys. This was really shitty handed by me. And again, the Omen of Victory Kamehameha. We still have here. Woo! Oh, this is a nice leader card. Awaken, nice. We have to hurry up a little bit. We got our next holo rare and nothing. Yep. This is it, guys. This is it. We are almost through the half, but until now, no. What can I say? It's not that good. But well, we have a few boosters still to open. Next holo rare and nothing. Alright guys, let's continue. Up. Common holo and yeah, we have something here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. And our next S rare, Trunks. Woo! This is also nice looking. That glittering on the back is nice. All right, our second S rare. Pooh, this is. Hold on a minute. Can we pull here a secret rare? 12 cards. This is no. Here. All right, 60 commons, 30 uncommons, rares, 3 secret rares, 1 god rare. Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo. Ooh-hoo. This is I actually didn't know that you can pull a god rare here, but as I know me and my luck, we are for sure not going to pull a god rare, especially not here. It would be great. I will shout out the whole fair here. I swear to God. What is this? Common holo. Where is it? And oh, what is this? Another S rare. Fused Tamazu. All right, here we go. Cool. Let's put now we have 3 S-rares pulled. And we are, I would say, after this, we are at the half time, guys, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, until now, it's not that good looking. 3 SRs, 1 special rare pulled, and 1 special rare was a top loader, and everything else is yup. All right, what we got? This is a nice one. I keep that one for sure. Woo, common, holo, and rare. No. Yeah, here I'm looking at some beautiful, wonderful people cosplaying everywhere. This is just 3 days of dreaming if you're into cosplay, gaming, animes, TCG, playing, whatever, guys. Come visit Fantasy Basel. It's absolutely great. All right, what we got here? This is rated rare holo and nothing. All right, let's do a real quick check. We have, how many boosters we have left? Oh, let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. 10, and then we are through. 10 more, and then we have ripped this display apart. And I hope we are going to pull something better than until we have pulled what we have pulled right now. This is not that exactly what I had in mind. All right, what is this? This is a leader card holo. Woo! Yeah, boy. Nice one. Nice one. Let's keep shoot right here. Okay. Let's keep going, guys. Let's just not stop here. Right. And common holo. And nothing. Right, next one. Napa, May, Android. See? Hey, look at this. Look at this face, dude. You're doing a weird face. All right, what we got here? Oh. All right, common holo. Let's put you right here. All right, we got something, but I don't know what. All right, 1, 2, 3. Please let it be something good. Wait. Oh my. Okay, this is another S rare, but I thought this was the same as this one. They are looking similar to each other, but oh my God, it's not the same. Ooh, all right, okay. Fuse Tamazu, Deviant, Teenage City, all right. Cool, nice. Our 4th S rare. But what are the chances to pull a secret rare or another special rare here? Tell me, guys. I don't know. This is, like I said, my luck is here. Yeah, my luck has nothing to say here. Common holo here, and ooh, Scouter. This would be nice in holo version. That would be very nice. All right. Then let's see. Let's open this beauty right here. We don't have much left, guys. We don't have. Oh my God, I fucked up. Okay, hold on, wait. I'm not gonna peek. What's this? All right, I have fucked up the unpacking. How can you be so stupid, man? So dumb. All right, what we got? We got common holo abducted. Let's put you right here. Oh, we got something. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, another S rare, come on. And another rated. Dude, how many rateds do I have to pull in this display? This is 1, 2, this is the 4th one. Dude. Oh, please, please. All right, how many we have left? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5. All right, 5 chances. Maybe we can have some luck and get the last pack magic. I don't know. We will see. We will see. Ah, see, this one we got in a holo version. Where is it? This one. See, normal version, holo version. I don't know. I can tell if you can see the difference. Yeah, you can see it, definitely. Beautiful card, beautiful card. I dig this one. All right, what we got? Rare holo and what a joke, dude! What is this? Look at this. This is a joke. Holo, normal, at the same in the same pack even. God damn it, Bandai! What are you doing? This was just nah. I leave my comments in my mind, so this is best for everyone. All right, let's just keep going. Let's not waste too much thoughts on it. All right, uncommon holo. Let's put you here, and okay, this is another hit. I hope yes. Okay. Secret rare, god rare, or special rare, please. 1, 2, 3. Another S rare? How many, dude? How many S rares are in here? All right, Super Saiyan 2 Kefla looking surging flash. Dude, she is hot as fuck, but where is my other special rares or secret rare or anything else? This is... Okay, I think... Nah, we are done, guys. I don't think we don't get any special rares or secret rares in here anymore. This is done. We have pulled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 super rares and 1 special rare. This combo was noxious. I don't know. Maybe, what is this? This is a Awaken Leader Card Kefla holo version. Ooh, also nice. Our second one. I don't know, but if it's only me, but these holo Awaken and Leader cards are harder to pull than a... I don't want to say a god rare or a secret rare, but a special, but for sure a special rare, of course. But I don't know why. Like I said, I don't play Dragon Ball TCG, but I'm collecting. All right, what is this? Common holo. Let's put you on this one. Okay, we got. Okay, we got something else. We got something else. All right. Okay, please, last pack magic. No, this is one. This is last pack. All right, last pack magic. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Ah, finally, our next special rare. Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta Godlike Power. Woohoo! The gold is absolutely blinding, guys. My eyes, my eyes. Woo! All right. Yeah, second special rare pulled, and I think this is it. I don't think we are going to pull anything special in this one. This is the last one, last pack magic, guys. Please give me the drums of liberation. All right. Let's see. Last pack. Let's see what we can pull here. We got a common Beerus holo. And yep. I thought so. All right, guys. All packs are opened. Let's just review real quick what we have pulled. All right, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 super rares. 6. They are all absolutely beautiful, but I hoped for more. Well, I would say, more special rares or secret rares or maybe a god rare. But this is, we have these two we have pulled from the display himself, and this was the top loader. But this one is, this sucks, man. I don't like it. Why? Yeah. I'm totally speechless, but yeah, I'm happy with these two, of course, and maybe, I don't know, I will do a giveaway here on the Fantasy Basel with this one. Let's see. But yeah, guys, this was it. This was it, and we are ending this video right here. Oh, let's put you right here. Now let's see, we are here at Fantasy Basel. It's still in the morning, there are not much people here, but I hope you had fun. I had, definitely, and it was absolutely something new to. This is actually my very first display opening on a ferry, on a Comic Con, on a ferry convention, and yeah, it was total fun. We had to do it real quick because now I had to get back to work. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. You know how it goes, guys. Stay healthy, stay out of trouble. See you next time. Bye.